Hello mga kayamis! Here we go! My day 8, banana cucumber with lemon smoothie. So, we have 2 pieces banana, cut and peeled, and 1 piece cucumber, 1/4 cut of lemon. So, lahat yan, ilalagay natin, i-blend natin together. Alam nyo ba, pag pinagsama-sama natin yung banana, cucumber with lemon, loaded with fiber, vitamins and minerals, at very hydrating. Yung tatlong ingredients na yan. Nagbibigay din sila ng antioxidant at nakatulong sa paglaban ng mga cell damages that leads to aging and disease. So, nilagyan natin ng lemon para mas lalong refreshing tayo. Helps to weight loss, the combination of that nutrients, yung lemon, nakatulong yan sa mga pagpapapayat kasi you feel full. Nagre-reduce ng pagkagutom at saka pagka-crave ng food. So, here we go. Napakasarap niyan. So refreshing ang ating banana cucumber with lemon smoothie. Try it. Napakasarap niyan. Subukan nyo.